इज इट फाइन?
Yeah.
पंचर हो जाता है आपकी गाड़ी में, पंचर समझते हो?
Yeah.
आपकी सिस्टर आपसे छोटी है, आप उसको बैठा के ले जा रहे हो, व्हाट विल यू डू? और दिस इज अ इवनिंग टाइम, लाइक डे इज नाइट इज अहेड.
At that time, I will search for an place where I can get air in my bicycle. If I will not be able to find such a place, then I will go by walking, and I will go with my younger sisters.
तुम्हारे स्कूल में फाइटिंग होती है दो बच्चों की,
Yeah.
तुम उसको देख रहे हो,
Yeah.
व्हाट विल यू डू?
I will stop the fight immediately.
These are all seniors,
Yeah.
what will you do?
I will say that don't do fight. If you want, then just do fight with me, but don't fight between you. And if anybody is wrong there over there, then I will say to the principal or the class teacher that he is doing this thing, and then a fight is.
Who is the chief minister of Bihar?
He, Shri Nitish Kumar.
Nitish Kumar. In which party he belong?
He belongs to JDU, I guess.
JDU
Yeah.
and Congress alliance.
Not in the alliance, in the RJD and JDU.
Have you heard it about Vidhan Sabha, Legislative Assembly?
Yeah.
What is the difference between Legislative Assembly and Parliament?
Legislative Assembly and Parliament. The Parliament is in the New Delhi, that is only one in India, and the Legislative Assembly is in every state.
In the nature of, not a place.
Okay.
What is the difference between Legislative Assembly and Parliament?
Legislative Assembly and Parliament. I'm sorry, I don't remember.
Okay. Have you heard it about the procedure of election?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you able to cast their vote in election?
I can't because I'm below 18.
I am
Below 18.
below 18. Okay. So if you will attain 18, so you should automatically get your voter right or not?
I will have to make my voter right. Like I will have
Okay.
to. Okay.
Who's your role model?
It is Sam Manik Shaw.
Sam Shaw. Might be movies released on that occasion. I think Sam
Sam
Bahadur. Who played this role?
I
Don't
don't
know.
have interest in movies.
Okay, that's great. And what do you know Sam Manik Shah?
Sam Manik Shaw was a field marshal, and India have only 2 field marshals yet. And
Is there any incident he is very famous at that
Yeah.
time?
at the war of 1971, Indo-Pakistan war, he played a major role, and he made very good strategies, and was having such a
And your role model is Manik Shah. And would you want to join Indian Navy? Is that contradictory or not?
No, sir. Actually, I like his bravery. At the Indo-Pakistan war, his strategies and his bravery was a lot. I just get inspired.
So
from
do you
that.
know about any CNC, Chief of Naval Staff?
Sir, actually.
You don't know about any personality.
Yeah.
And who is right now CNS, Chief of Naval Staff?
Sir, I'm sorry. I
Don't
haven't
know.
studied on.
Okay. And our Army Commander?
It's which post, sir?
Army.
Which post?
सेना अध्यक्ष कौन है?
Sir, I guess Manoj Pandey.
मनोज?
Pandey.
IAS?
No, sir.
I guess I guess.
Okay. And who is CDS right now?
CDS is
Don't know.
Chief of Defense.
Do you know about any aircraft carrier of Indian Navy?
INS Vikrant.
INS
Vikrant.
Vikrant. Is there any specifications in INS Vikrant other than other ordinary aircraft carrier?
Sir, I've not studied about them.
Because you told me you have interest in coding, right?
Yeah.
You have interest in future technology. So I would ask to you, like, what exactly difference between ordinary aircraft carrier and Vikramaditya? Don't know. Okay. Great. What exactly nautical miles?
Which thing, sir?
Nautical miles.
How you will convert in nautical miles to like kilometers or
Oh, miles and kilometers.
We used to nautical miles for what?
For
the terminology of nautical
Distances
miles?
of
distances of places. Like a mile is greater than a kilometer, and we generally use a mile for
how many commands in Indian Navy?
commands. There are 3 commands. One in Visakhapatnam.
Name of Visakhapatnam. Don't know.
But you have heard about northern command, southern command,
We have the western.
eastern command.
We have the eastern command in Visakhapatnam. The southern command is in Mumbai.
Okay. Chalo, I will get something for you, right? Wait here, huh? Wait here.
With
You just sit down there.